Did you ever think that one of the world's largest aircraft manufacturers would face criticism and reputational damage? Good morning, everyone. My name is Zihab Amran. I'm a first-year engineering student at King Abdulaziz University. Today, I will be discussing the topic of my research, which is an analysis into how to improve Boeing's reputation amongst KU aerospace engineering students. First, I will provide a brief overview of my topic and why it's important. After that, I will give you some background information about my topic. Then I will tell you the aim, objective, and research questions of this research. Finally, I will outline the methodology used in my research. Let's start by talking about the overview of the topic. Boeing is a prominent company in the aviation sector. It is renowned for its engineering excellence, which has a rich legacy of delivering iconic aircraft such as Boeing 747 Jumbo Jet. Unfortunately, this excellence has changed in recent years due to Boeing shifting its focus from innovation to making profit. This shift caused a lot of safety issues at Boeing. These issues have had many effects on airlines and passengers. Some airlines complained about Boeing, and passengers were hesitant to fly on Boeing. The consequences of damage to Boeing's reputation underscore the critical importance of understanding the opinions of KU of future engineers toward Boeing, such as KU aerospace engineering students. Some people suggest that to enhance Boeing's reputation, Boeing should have a senior engineer as the CEO to manage the company with their expertise. However, it isn't currently clear what KU aerospace engineering students' opinion about Boeing is. Therefore, this aspect requires thorough investigation in this research to provide comprehensive insights into the perceptions and attitudes towards Boeing within the aerospace engineering students at KU. I have finished talking about the overview. Now, let me give you some background information about my topic. Boeing was focusing on innovation and engineering quality. According to an article on Boeing's website, the market share of the commercial jetliners of Boeing was 64% in 1996. In addition, according to a LinkedIn article in 2023, Boeing produced one of the marvels in the aviation industry, which is the Boeing 747 Jumbo Jet. The Boeing 747 was designed without computers in 1970, which proves the ability of Boeing to produce complicated planes with their engineering quality. Despite Boeing's achievements, recent safety issues have damaged its reputation. One of the issues of Boeing occurred with 737 MAX. According to two news articles in 2019, the main issue with the 737 was that large engines were mounted higher than the wings, which led to an aerodynamic problem that could stall the aircraft. Instead of redesigning the aircraft, Boeing opted to address the issue by implementing a system in the aircraft called MCAS to adjust the aircraft. Unfortunately, two Boeing 737 MAX crashes occurred due to MCAS activation from faulty sensor data, resulting in 346 fatalities. Another issue with Boeing 737 MAX occurred at Alaska Airlines. According to a news article on Bloomberg website, the door blew off in Alaska Airlines because Boeing forgot to install 4 bolts that keep the door plug in place. This proves that the quality control procedures weren't followed at Boeing. Boeing's safety issues have resulted in many effects. First, in an interview with the Financial Times, the CEO of Emirates Airlines criticized Boeing. This proves that Boeing is facing a lack of trust from some airlines. Furthermore, according to statistics on Reuters website, Boeing's market share in 2018 was 50% before the incidence of 737 MAX. However, in 2019, the market share became 42%. after the incidents, which means Boeing's market share decreased by 8% during 1 year because a lot of airlines stopped buying from it. Moreover, according to an article written in 2024 about scrutiny of Boeing, the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, has stopped Boeing from increasing production of 737 MAX after its two crashes. I finished talking about the background information. Now I will tell you the aim and the objective of this research. Although there are a lot of suggestions for Boeing to improve amongst many people, these suggestions may not align with the perspectives of KU Aerospace Engineering students. Therefore, the aim of this research is to identify strategies for for enhancing Boeing's reputation based on the opinions and suggestions of KU Aerospace Engineering students. While the objective of this research is to provide KU Aerospace Engineering students with insights into Boeing and the safety issues it faces. Also, more importantly, they may be in a position to purchase aircraft in the future, and if they still distrust Boeing, they may not buy from it. In order to achieve the aim and the objective, the following research questions need to be answered. The first research question: how much KU Aerospace Engineering students know about Boeing? The second one: what is KU Aerospace Engineering students' opinion about Boeing lately? And the last one: what KU Aerospace Engineering students want from Boeing to trust them again? Now, I will tell you the methodology used in the research. To gather data to answer the research questions, the survey method was used. The tool that was used was an online questionnaire. The questionnaire was made by an online website called Sobalytics. 10 questions were made in the questionnaire, 1 demographic question and 9 questions related to the research questions. The questionnaire was distributed to KU Aerospace Engineering students in WhatsApp groups. 52 responses were received to the questionnaire. And finally, built-in graphs from Sobalytics analyzed the responses. In summary, Boeing was renowned for its engineering quality. But in recent years, Boeing shifted its focus to making profit, and that caused safety issues. These safety issues have caused many effects on airlines, passengers, and Boeing itself. Therefore, this research aims to improve Boeing's reputation by gathering KU Aerospace Engineering students' feedback. And the objective of this research is providing students with insights into Boeing's safety challenges. At the end, Boeing was known for its engineering excellence, but its reputation fell down due to its preference for profit over safety. And Boeing's engineers lacked to apply engineering ethics in their work. Therefore, we learn from this topic that all engineers must have engineering ethics and place them above any other consideration. This is the reference list of my background information. This is all about my presentation. Thank you for listening to me. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Thank you.